Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to check and change printer port in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the start. Here type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, we find our all installed printers. Go to your printer. In this case, this is my printer. Click on that printer. In this printer, go to the printer properties. Here we find printer properties. Click on the printer properties. In printer properties, I minimize it and make it center. In a printer properties, here we find many options. Go to this option, ports. Click on the ports. In ports, if you want to change any other port, then go to that port that has working with your printer. And if you want to add new port, then click on add a port. Here we find many options. Go with the standard TCP IP port. If you have TCP IP port on your printer, then select that and click on new port. Click on the new port. Click on the next. Here add your IP address. Add your printer IP address and click on the next. It's install it, and after that this port is available on your port list. Select that port. In this case, I cancel it. That's why it's not showing. In your case, it is showing. Then select that port and click on the apply. Click on the close and restart your machine or restart your printer and do your printer works on from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.